Oh god, we have a problem. Andrew's foaming from the mouth. Okay, let's put that back in and see if it foams from the car too. We're back in the Eos, and assumingly fixing things, unfortunately not. Out there is Andrew, who brought this with him. We just fixed the window wiper hose, which we found the other end of, and connected it, just to find now that when we turn this on, well, not just does it not squirt, but it doesn't wipe. It just does not. Just doesn't give a damn. It just doesn't wanna. We used this earlier to diagnose the airbag fault, which was the passenger seat side airbag. We just cleared it and it went away. Remember I mentioned the great connectors down there? Anyway, now we're using this here. Hopefully. Come on, turn back on. Why is it off? There we go. Now we're using it. There we go. Diagnostics. We're hopefully gonna find a reason why the goddamn wipers don't work now. So yeah, I don't know. We checked the fuse here for the nozzles. We checked the fuse over in the engine bay for the wipers themselves. They're both okay. Nothing happens at all. Now we're gonna read codes again, and we'll see. There we go. We'll see if that does a thing. And if we get error codes. The only error codes we had left earlier after clearing all the others, all the old codes from when the battery was dead and all the good stuff, was radio and telephone. Obviously you saw me rip out the old telephone mount, and the radio is not original anyway, so that's perfectly fine. So let's have a look. So we're just erasing all the faults again because we just pulled relays and stuff while scanning, which kind of freaked it out a bit. Now we should be fault-free again. And I did a quick Google. Turns out hood open means no wipers, apparently. So let's try that again. Would you do the honors and close the hood, Andrew?
I'm going to try something different.
Are you going to try to fake close it?
Yes.
I guess it says... Oh, let's see. Yep, no hood open warning. Well, there we go. let's see if the squirts work, although they're going to squirt downwards.
That's fine.
Well, we have 1 out of 2. And the other one is dribbling. We might have to unclog it or something.
It's okay if you're in the UK.
Yeah, but we're not in the UK. Anyway, let's put this aside. Let's go out and over here. Yep. Hi.
Hi.
Great, it runs in there.
Yes.
And it's like in here. Jesus.
These are just clipped in.
Oh, they?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, do you know that from your things?
Yes.
Oh, they just... Oh, well, they're there. Ugh, crummy. This looks possibly, maybe clogged, I don't know. Do you want to look in there while I pull the...
Yes. You pull the lever and I'll look in there.
Okay. I'll squirt it at you, Andrew. Oh. Is it blocked? Hold on, let's see. It should come out of the hose then now. Oh yeah. Nice. Okay. Stop it. So yeah. Give me that thing, show me. Are you giving it a blowjob? I think you just went in the wrong end though.
Yeah. No, I'm trying to blow it that way out. Because that's bigger, obviously. Yeah, it's blocked.
Cool. Should we get a needle or something and see if we can unblock it?
Yeah, we can have a look.
Okay, let's have a look. The scientific test method shows it's getting better. Well, also using a zip tie. Can you show us?
Size and everything.
Yeah, of course. Can you show us the scientific method? Yeah, you can almost hear the air. Anyway.
Apart from me getting dizzy.
Do you need a drink? Do you need a tea?
No, I think I need a chair.
Okay. Yeah, anyway, we're gonna try to clean this out more and then put it back in because, yeah, obviously that should fix it. Oh god, we have a problem. Andrew's foaming from the mouth. Okay, let's put that back in and see if it foams from the car too. Okay, right now we're swapping them over left to right because even with his effort of giving it a blowjob, it didn't work really, and so we're swapping them over so the driver's side is usable, plus the passenger side might have more pressure to maybe blow it free, who knows, and if not, I'm just gonna get a new one. But at least we're gonna have a driver's side working, because Kelly has been complaining about that for some reason. I don't know, she wants to see things when she's driving.
Don't know why.
Yeah, I've no idea. So
If you don't hit anything, you're fine.
exactly, that's what I keep telling her. So this is the old hose. This was actually down here. This is already a fix and an extension, and we just used some of the new hose. I got the repair hose and some connectors and put it back together. I had tied this down with a zip tie so it doesn't get crunched on the hood, and
That's why they're back.
while I'm under here, I took the time to take the timing belt cover off because I wanted to have a look how that looks, since remember I only had the word of the previous owner that he had the word that it was done at some point at 130,000 kilometers. Still writing visible down here. It's not fraying, it's not splitting, it's not cracking. It does honestly not look like it's 15 years old and 160,000 kilometers, so might actually be correct, might actually be true. I don't know. So maybe not that might not be that urgent to do that, but yeah, would be nice to know.
Sensor.
So we cranked it over a little bit to get some writing, and it says, if you can read that, you can't really, there, there's Audi logos on it right there, but it also says Contitech, but it also has what looks like an Audi or VW part number there, COO 060 109 119 Bravo. I'll look it up. We'll see what we can find. It doesn't look used though. It doesn't look worn. Like, it does not look 15 years old. Like, no, just not even a little bit.
30,000 miles, yeah.
Yeah,
30,000
kilometers.
kilometers, yeah.
Yeah, so that's the alleged mileage on it. 30,000 or 32 at this point, since we bought it and put 2,000 on it. But yeah, we'll see. Okay, Eos is closed again for now because, well, we swapped them around because that one thingy, one nozzle just doesn't want to squirt really. So I'm probably just going to get two because the other one is also somewhat weak, but at least gets the driver's side done decently, semi-decently. So yeah, timing guard was inspected, hose was fixed, nozzles, kinda. Not bad. Not a bad day. Oh, airbag light erased, so good. Okay, we're back in the Eos regarding the window washers, because I got two new, well, used, technically speaking, washers. I looked them up. I wanted to buy new ones because they're probably cheap. Turns out they're like 15-20 euros a piece, and I was about to buy that until I realized I can get aftermarket ones for like 10 a piece, and I was about to buy those when I saw an auction on eBay where somebody was selling used ones out of one of, I don't know, Seat, VW, something more recent that had apparently done 7 kilometers before it was crashed, and then they were spotted out. So these are basically new OEM ones for, I think I paid 12 euros with shipping, 13. So let's pop these in and see if they work better. And for that we only have to pop the old ones out, undo some little clips here that are thankfully even captive, nice and dirty. And number two, popping out really easy. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be like that, but they are. New ones. Let's pop it on there. Click this way. Oh, did you hear that? That snaps in a lot nicer, a lot more affirmative. That might be the reason why there's some tape around the catches here. Maybe these came loose or something. I don't know. Click. Oh, wrong way again. Put it on there. Snap. Oh, that sounds good. Okay. I did test them beforehand to see if the old ones are still shit, and yes, they are. So definitely needed to be swapped. So I'm gonna go and try those now, because otherwise, let's fill this in place. Come on, and just get the grommet in there, tidy it up, nice. Yeah, that's it. Let's test them, shall we? Okay, ignition is already on. Oh, look at that! Even aimed nicely, I think. Yeah, the passenger side is maybe a little bit too high. Seems to be hitting the hood, bonnet, whatever you want to call it, a little bit. I already did bring in preparation trusty iFixit tool, and this is a 2mm Allen key. And there's a little set screw in here that you just fiddle with in the direction you want it to go. Tightening is down. So, yeah, just in case you're wondering. If you're wondering if you want to adjust yours, I just noticed on the old ones. Let's see if I can focus on that while the kids are screaming. Oh, let's turn away from something bright. There we go. The old ones, I don't know if they're factory or not. Maybe, possibly, probably. Have a flathead screw there to adjust them. I assume it's still clockwise to lower them when they're installed this way. So, and counterclockwise to probably raise them. Well, that's at least on the new ones the case. So, yeah, just wanted to throw that in here. Adjusted it a little bit. Let's see if that took care of it hitting the underside of the hood. Or bonnet, as Kelly would call it. Yeah, nice. Still hits the roof a bit, but whatever. It's just splashing and spraying then. But look at that. Nice. Fix it. I think that's it for today. So, see you in the next one. Something's gonna fail anyway. We know it.